Hi, Lam.
Like, yeah,
How are you today, Lam?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's good to know. What did you do before our class?
I just eat.
What did you eat for breakfast, Lam?
Uh, I eat. Uh, it. I don't know how to say in Vietnamese that one.
Okay, you don't know how to say it in Vietnamese either. Okay, that is fine, Lam. What will you do today? Can you tell me?
Mm, If I
What?
finish this class, I think I will test fire and floors
Oh, you have another class after this?
with you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because we will have an hour class, Lam, a 50-minute class. But after this class, are you going somewhere?
Yeah, I'm just testing
Oh, okay. You'll have
fire
a.
and floor.
Okay, Lam. So now let us start right away. Let me check, or let us check your homework first for a moment. Okay, so now can you tell me who helped you in answering this one, Lam?
No one.
No one. Okay, nice. So in here you have to choose the whether you'll be making a present simple sentence or a present continuous one. So let us start. You don't like chocolate. Okay, yes, that's correct. She she doesn't study at the moment. Okay. Now, Lam, we have here at the moment, right? So, of course, what we're going to do here is we'll say she is not, Lam. She is not studying because we have the word at the moment, which means this action is happening right now. Maybe she is playing or eating. That's why the person is not studying. When you see these phrases, Lam, at the moment, right now, that indicates that we will be making a present continuous tense. So, we'll always use is, are, am, or, and its negative form, Lam, which is not, and then the ing. Okay, she is not studying at the moment. Okay, so now for the next one, we often goes to the cinema. Can you tell me, Lam, why is it goes?
Yeah,
Our
because my
subject is
homework, I do it. I didn't know, so I just do like this right.
okay, yes, I understand, Lam. But we've talked about this one already, right? If our subject is I, you, we, they, we will use the base form of the verb. Is this the base form, Lam?
Nào, không bị vào trò chơi.
Base
Tại sao không
form
bình
of the
thường?
verb,
Không
Lam.
bị vào thôi.
Okay, so the base form of the verb, of course, is the word lam without s or es at the end. So it should be we often go, not goes, lam. We only use goes if our subject is he, she, or it. Okay, always remember this one, lam. I think it's something that you have to memorize, okay? He, she, it, we will add s or es to the verb. I, you, we, and they, we will use the base form of the verb like go, walk, watch. Okay, these are base form, lamb, we did not add S nor ES to it. Okay, now let us proceed to 4. He usually, oh, in here, lamb, you said, he usually does, but you erase it and you wrote do. He usually do his homework, but our subject is he. And this is a present simple tense, lamb. Present simple tense. He usually, what is our answer here, lamb? Can you tell me now?
Does.
Okay, it should be does, lamb. Very good. Okay, he usually does his homework. Okay, now they don't eat rice every day. Very good, lamb. Now, we don't study every night. You like Okay. Now in here, Lam, since it is a question, we don't just say you we don't say like spicy food. Instead, we'd say, do you like? Okay. Wait. It should be, do you like spicy food? Okay, because we are asking a question. We have here a question mark. We can't just say like spicy food. Okay, it should be, there has to be a question word. Now for 8, she goes to Scotland often. Okay, now still it is a question. So can you tell me? What are we going to use here? Is it a do or does?
Where did
Here, lamb, 8. Do or does? What question word are we going to use here?
uh uh does
Okay, so it should be, does she? Okay. Does she? Okay, and what will we use? Go or goes?
goes
Okay, now again, lam, with the presence of do, does, and did, we will use the base form, right? Even if our subject is singular. So it has to be, does she go to Scotland often? Okay, does she go to Scotland often? Okay, remember that, lam. Now, 9, he eats now. Is it he eats now, lam?
mm,
It's a question, lam. It's a
uh
question. Present continuous question, lam.
does she eat
Does
eat
she?
now?
Is she? Is she eat
It's
or
he
eating? It eats or eating, lam. What do you think?
eating.
Okay, is she eating now? Okay, that is how you make the present continuous question lang. Now for 10, we go to cinema. Okay, now let's
Teacher,
look.
can I
Yes.
go take on the water? I don't know what is this water like.
Okay, yes. Go on, Lam.
Sampai TikTok.
Okay, so now let us continue, Lam. Can you tell me your answer for 10? Again, Lam. This one is incorrect because we have here that we blank to the cinema this weekend, Lam. So what are we going to use here? Is it present simple or present continuous?
Present simple.
Now, we only use present continuous for facts, routines, habits. But this one is none of them. See, we have here this weekend, Okay, which means it is something that they don't do often. They don't do every day. So we'll use present continuous here, Lam. Remember, again, when we say present continuous, it doesn't only talk about the thing that is happening right now or around this time, but it could also talk about future arrangement. Okay? So, in here, it should be we are goes or going.
Go.
Go? Is it we are go, Lam? Is it we are go?
No.
Is it go?
Yes, I think it's goes.
No, not goes, Lam. I told you that we only use go and goes for present simple. But since we are making a present continuous tense here, Lam, it should be is or and then the ing, right? Ing. So it should be we are what? We are
Uh, I just am thinking.
okay, it should be we are going, Lam. Going. Okay. Remember that, Lam. We are going to the cinema this weekend. Now, in here, why did you say they studies now? Now, Lam, now. It's happening right now. So it has to be present continuous, Lam. Present continuous. Present continuous tense, Lam. It should be they
Studies. They are
not studies.
studying.
They are studying now. Okay, they
Teacher, now I
are.
just think because before this class, I don't know.
Oh, why don't you know it? I explain it every class, Lam. I explain this one every time. Okay, they are studying now. Okay, so next one. I clean the kitchen every day. Yes, this is correct, Lam. She works every Sunday. Very good. We we don't sleep now. We have here now. So, can you fix the sentence, Lam? We 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 have
Um,
now. It's happening right now. Is it we don't sleep now? It should be we
that doesn't sleep now.
It's not we doesn't sleep now, Lam. When we say doesn't and don't, Lam, that is present simple. But in here we have now. It's happening right now, Lam. We should be making present continuous tense. It has to be we are, we aren't, okay, or we are not sleeping now. Okay?
Yeah,
Do you get it, Lam? Is it difficult, Lam?
it's a bit
Oh,
difficult.
it's still a bit difficult. Okay, don't worry, we'll continue practicing it. Now, he don't go to the park very often. Is it he don't go? Do we pair he with don't, Lam, or doesn't? What are we going to use here? Don't, doesn't, or didn't?
Did
What? Mm-hmm.
isn't. Is
Okay,
it?
it should be doesn't, Lam. He doesn't go to the park very often. Okay, he doesn't go to the park very often. There you have it. Now, let us proceed to next one. It rained a lot here. It rained a lot here, Lam. Is it rain a lot here?
No.
Can you tell me the correct answer then, Lam? What should we use here? It's
It's raining a lot here.
is it raining a lot here? It rains a lot here, Lam. It rains a lot here. Okay, so it's a generally true sentence, Lam. It's a fact, Lam. Fact. Okay, so it should be, it rains a lot here. Remember, Lam, we only use the ing is our am and then the ing form of the verb if it is happening right now or if it's a future arrangement. Okay, wait, I think I have to translate it for you, Lam. Remember that we only use the structure is our am plus the base form plus the ing if, wait, remember that we only use the structure is, are, or plus the ing if it is happening right now
Right
or
now.
it talks about future arrangement. Is, wait, is, are, and um.
Dạ.
Hãy nhớ rằng chúng ta chỉ sử dụng cấu trúc is, are và am kèm theo đuôi ing nếu sự việc đang xảy ra ngay bây giờ hoặc nói về một kế hoạch trong tương lai.
Okay, Lam.
Yeah.
Okay, so if it is a generally true sentence, for example, it talks about facts, habits, and routines, that is the only time we'll use the base form of the verb.
Nếu đó là một
Teacher, I
câu nói
want
đúng
to
về mặt tổng
see.
quát, ví dụ như nói về các sự kiện, thói quen và quy trình. Đó là trường hợp duy nhất chúng ta sử dụng dạng nguyên mẫu của động từ.
Oh, Yes, Lam, what did you say?
I want to hear. Oh, I hear already.
Do you want to hear it again?
No.
Oh, no, now. Okay, so let us continue answering, Lam. Now, I blank on holiday tomorrow.
Hello, I told.
Is it I go? Is it I go on holiday tomorrow, Lam? Tomorrow, it's a future arrangement, Lam. So it should be, what are we going to use? Is, are, or am?
Is or
Is? Yes, can you choose one?
I is so.
Is it I is?
I am.
Okay, I am. What about forgo, Lam? What will we do with this verb? Is it going to be go, goes, or going?
Going.
Okay, yes. So now we have I am going on holiday tomorrow. Okay, remember that, Lam. Since it is a future arrangement that is about to happen, then we'll use is or am plus the ing or the gerund. So now next one. How long blank in London?
Oh, it had to be how long does she stay in London?
Okay, yes, there you have it. See, you know the answer, but in here you answered just stay, Lam. Okay, how long does she stay in London? Okay, now next one. I often read at night. Okay, this is correct. We don't drink much wine. Okay. You come tonight? Okay, now can you fix this one, Lam? Because it is a question. It needs a question word, Lam.
The the
Is
does
it
you come
do?
tonight? Do you
Is it
come
does you?
tonight?
Is it do, does, or are?
Does
Does you come tonight? Now it is tonight, right, Lam? So it's a present continuous. It should be are you? Okay, are you? Is it comes, or coming?
coming?
Okay, are you coming tonight? Okay, there you have
Yeah, it's very
it.
very many
Yes,
words.
it's a lot to take in, Lam. That's why we have to consistently practice so you'll get used to it, and over time it'll be easy for you. Okay, now let us proceed to 22. He eats rice. Okay, now we have here still a question, Lam. Still a question. Can you make it a question?
He
Does
he eat rice every day?
Okay, now your answer is correct, Lam, if you will not add S to it. Remember, do, does, and did, Lam, we will use the base form, right? So it should be, does he eat? Okay, does he eat rice every day? Not eats rice every day because we have does. Okay, now next one. I work. Now, why did you answer work here, Lam? We have at the moment. It is happening right now. Right now. It's happening right now.
He didn't work right.
Not didn't, Lam, not didn't, because we have here at the moment. This action is happening right now, Lam. So it should be I Present continuous, Lam. Present continuous.
I'm working.
No, not working. Directly, you need the linking verb. Is it is, are, or am? Okay, I am working at the moment. Okay, that is how it goes, Lam. Don't just add the ing directly. You need to choose the linking verb. Is it is, are, or am? Now, 24, he comes, okay? Comes to London often. Okay, so it's a question, Lam. Can you fix this one again?
Does he comes to
Not
London
comes.
often?
Not comes, Lam. Again, we
Does he
have does.
come?
Okay, yes. Does he come to London often? Okay, yes, that is correct. Now, remember this one, Lam. Do not add s or es to the verb if there is a presence of do, does, and did. Okay. Now, next one. He plays tennis now. Is it? Now, Lam. Now, the action is happening right now. Is it plays? What do you think, Lam? He
Does
present
he
continuous.
play?
Not a
Does he
question,
play?
Lam. This is not a
Is he
question.
playing tennis right now?
Okay. Now it should be he is playing tennis now, Lam. See, because this ends with a period. It's just a statement. We are not going to ask a question. It has to be he is playing tennis now. Okay, so you have to look at the punctuation, Lam. Now, this one. Okay, so it is a question. Can you fix this?
I'm no teacher. Can you help me?
Okay, so it's later, right? It's going to happen later. Now, it should be are, 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 are you, are you, what do you think, Lam? Are you?
I don't know.
Okay, is it comes, or coming?
Come.
Are you
Coming.
come? Okay, yes. Are you coming to the cinema later? Okay, now next one, Lam. They don't come to the party tomorrow, is it? Tomorrow, Lam. This is not a present simple tense, Lam. This is a present continuous tense that talks about future arrangement, which is about tomorrow. The party tomorrow. So it has to be they, they is, they are, they am.
They are.
Okay, they are. Since we have here not, Lam, we'll make it a negative sentence. They are not comes, or coming.
Coming.
Okay, very good. They are not coming to the party tomorrow. There you have it, Lam. See, you can do it. Now now we have here he blank golf now, Lam. Now, present continuous still. Why did you answer he doesn't play golf now? When we say doesn't play, Lam, that is present simple. But we have the word now, which indicates the action is happening right now. So it has to be he
He does.
he is
He is playing
He
golf.
is, he is
Playing
not,
golf right now.
okay, he is not playing golf now. Okay, so don't forget to add not lam because in the choices we have not, which means we will be making a negative sentence. It has to be he is not playing golf now. Okay, 29. It's a question, lam. It's a question. Is it do, does, or are? Okay, are. Can you continue? Are. Are. What about are?
You
Okay, are
playing
you?
tennis? Playing
Okay, yes.
tennis this Sunday.
Okay, are you playing tennis this Sunday? That's correct, Lam. Very good. Now, what about 4:30?
They go the to uh to restaurant every Saturday.
Okay, so it should be they
Uh,
they go to restaurant. Okay, every Saturday. This one is correct, Lam. Thank you. Now, she. Why did you say don't, Lam? She. It has to be she.
she
She.
um she doesn't
Okay, she
don't
doesn't go to. Okay, yes. Doesn't go to the cinema very often. So it's just easy, right, Lam? You were actually able to answer it all.
yeah.
See, you're able to answer it, Lam. So, next time, Lam, after our class, I'll give you another homework talking about present simple and present continuous. Okay, so hopefully you will not answer it quickly. So you'll be able to get more accurate answers. Okay,
Yeah.
you can do it, Lam. Do you have any questions about present simple and present continuous, Lam?
Yeah. Because
What is your question?
I just do it, but now I don't know why I can't do it.
Okay, I see. So more practice will help you retain or absorb it, Lam. Okay, so remember this one, Lam. Okay, I'll translate it again.
Nếu đó là một câu nói đúng về mặt tổng quát, ví dụ như nói về các sự kiện, thói quen và quy trình. Đó là trường hợp duy nhất chúng ta sử dụng dạng nguyên mẫu của động từ.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if it is happening right now, Lam, don't forget to add is, are, or am, and then ing. Okay, like
Yeah.
um
Can I say
Lam.
again before I remember?
Okay.
Nếu đó là một câu nói đúng về mặt tổng quát, ví dụ như nói về các sự kiện, thói quen và quy trình. Đó là trường hợp duy nhất chúng ta sử dụng dạng nguyên mẫu của động từ.
Use is, are, and am plus ing if we are talking about the things that is happening right now or talks about future arrangement.
Hãy sử dụng is, am nếu chúng ta đang nói về những việc đang xảy ra ngay bây giờ hoặc nói về một kế hoạch trong tương lai.
Okay.
Hmm.
So always be mindful with the phrases and words, okay, that are used, Lam. Like for example, now. So of course you'll not make a present simple. Instead, you have to make present continuous. Okay. Tomorrow, still present continuous, Lam. Okay, we also have at the moment, right now. Okay, so just notice those words and phrases, Lam. They will guide you as to what tense you should use in your sentence. Okay, so now, Lam, let us proceed to our discussion. Okay, so we'll now have 12.3. Okay, so now in here, Lam, I will let you listen to the audio again and number the sentences 1 to 5. Okay?
Yeah.
12.3 1.
Okay, just like in that audio, Lam, you can hear a baby crying. So you are going to number this one. A baby
Crazy
is
baby.
crying. What? You can't
Baby,
hear the
what are
audio?
you?
Can you hear a
No, I
baby
said the
crying?
baby is crazy.
The baby is crazy? No, the baby is not crazy, Lam. The baby is just crying. Maybe it's hungry. Okay, now next one, Lam.
2.
Have you got any apples, please?
Yes, over there.
Oh, yes. I'll have a kilo, please.
That was
Okay.
to some people are watching in a match.
Yeah, they're talking. So what is it? Oh, some people are watching a football match, Lam.
I think it's and that try here again. I don't
Okay.
know what is in here.
Two.
Have you got any apples, please?
Yes, over there.
Oh, yes. I'll have a kilo, please.
Okay.
So I think would be um it's to a woman buying some fruit.
Okay, yes, very good. That is it, Lam. Okay, let's continue.
3.
Okay, what about in that one, Lam? What is happening in that audio?
Uh, I think it be some people are skating.
Okay, some people are okay, yeah, skiing. Very good, Lam. It's 3.
4. Five.
What about in that, Lam?